Good morning, students. In this session, that is session number 6, we will be discussing about what do you mean by a real gas and an ideal gas, and we will be studying about the behavior of real gas, that is the deviation of the behavior of real gas from ideal gas. So, before going to that, we will be looking into what do you mean by a real gas and an ideal gas. Real gas, ideal gas. So, both the gases are connected with the equation PV is equal to nRT. PV is equal to nRT. So, real gas and both ideal gas is connected with the equation PV is equal to nRT. That is, a real gas or an ideal gas obeys this equation, which is called as your ideal gas equation. It is called as your ideal gas equation. A real gas is the one which obeys this equation, that is PV is equal to nRT, at certain conditions. So, real gas is a gas which obeys PV is equal to nRT, that is your ideal gas equation, only at certain conditions, that is at certain temperature and pressure. Certain temperature and pressure. Ideal gas is a gas which obeys PV is equal to nRT at all conditions, pressure and temperature. So, that is the slight difference between what do you mean by an ideal gas and a real gas. Both obey PV is equal to nRT. Real gas obeys at certain conditions. Ideal gas obeys at all temperature and pressure, that is all conditions. So, that is about your real gas and ideal gas, which you have studied in your previous session also. So, today we will be discussing about this behavior of real gas, that is how do the behavior of real gas deviate from the ideal behavior. Adar ಬಗ್ಗೆ discuss ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ವಿ. So, today we are going to discuss about the behavior of real gas, that is deviation from ideal behavior. For this discussion, that is for the discussion of behavior of real gas, we are taking an isotherm, that is P versus V plot at constant temperature. So, ಒಂದು isotherm ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. So, P versus V at constant temperature, isotherm. This isotherm, that is the plot of P versus V at constant temperature, is taken for both ideal gas as well as a real gas. We know that P is inversely proportional to V. We know that from Boyle's law, P is inversely proportional to V. As a result, how is the nature of the graph? Andre, it is a curve. It is a curve, that is, as pressure increases, volume decreases. So, as pressure increases, volume decreases. So, this will be the plot. So, this is for your ideal gas. So, this is an isotherm for ideal gas. If I take the same isotherm for a real gas, for a real gas, the isotherm looks like this. So, this is for a real gas. You can observe that the isotherm of real gas and ideal gas do not coincide with each other, and it coincides only at certain pressures, Hence, the behavior of real gas is deviating from the ideal behavior. Ideal gas in a isotherm ಏನಿದೆಯೋ ಅದ್ರಿಗೆ exact ಆಗಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ real gas ದು isotherm coincide ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, which means that real gas have a different behavior, or they deviate their behavior when compared to ideal gas. Only at certain conditions, the real gas behaves as your ideal gas. If you look at high pressure, so this is your origin anta tagondre. If you look at high pressure nodidre, if this is the pressure, you can observe that this is the volume V1 anta tagolana, that is the volume of ideal gas. So, this is the volume of ideal gas. The same pressure if you consider for a real gas, this is your volume of your real gas, which means that at high pressure ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ideal gas V1, ಇದು real gas ದು volume. ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, at high pressure the volume of real gas has been increased, or it is higher when compared to the volume of the ideal gas. So, real gas in a volume ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, higher ಆಗಿದೆ, increase ಆಗಿದೆ when compared to the volume of ideal gas at high pressures. So, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇದು ಏನು deviate ಆಗಿದೆಯೋ volume ಅಲ್ಲಿ at high pressures, the volume of real gas is greater when compared to the volume of your ideal gas ಏನಿದೆಯೋ that is a deviation from ideal behavior which is called as positive deviation. ಅದನ್ನ positive deviation ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. So remember here at high pressure your volume of real gas is greater than volume of ideal gas. So here volume of real gas is greater than volume of ideal gas which is called as positive deviation. ಇದು ಯಾವಾಗ? This is at high pressure. So at high pressure, the volume of a real gas when compared to ideal gas, it is greater, and that is called as the positive deviation of your real gas from ideal gas. So if you look at lower pressures, lower pressure al observe madidre, if this is the volume, the same pressure if I consider for real gas. So this is for your real gas, this is for your ideal gas. ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ರಿಯಲ್ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ದು? ಐಡಿಯಲ್ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ಗಿಂತ ರಿಯಲ್ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ದು ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗಿದೆ. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವಿ ರಿಯಲ್ ಇಸ್ ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ವಿ ಐಡಿಯಲ್. ಯಾವಾಗ? ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅಟ್ ಲೋವರ್ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ಸ್, at low pressure. So you can observe at low pressures, at low pressure, pressure is low here. At low pressure you can observe that this is for your real gas, this is for your ideal gas. Real gas do volume kadime when compared to the ideal gas. So this is at lower pressure. So again deviation of behavior nodtidira, and this deviation of behavior is called as negative deviation. So you can observe a positive deviation, that is the real gas volume is greater than the ideal gas volume at high pressure. High pressure. Lower pressure really you can observe a negative deviation from the ideal behavior, that is V real, volume of real gas is less when compared to the volume of ideal gas. So this is about the positive deviation from the ideal behavior, and this is about the negative deviation from the ideal behavior. So volume ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ positive deviation ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. Volume of real gas ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ you call it as negative deviation from ideal behavior ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. The next thing is you can also observe that at certain pressure there is a coinciding of real gas isotherm with ideal gas isotherm, which means that at certain pressure and temperature the real gas behaves as this ideal gas. So at certain temperature and pressure your real gas acts as your ideal gas. So real gas ideal gas ಆಗಿ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ at certain pressure and temperature. ಯಾವುದು ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ this is at low pressure, it is at low pressure and high temperature. It is at low pressure and high temperature. So when does a real gas acts as an ideal gas or it behaves as an ideal gas ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ the condition is low pressure, high temperature. So at that conditions a real gas behaves as ideal gas, except that you can observe there is a real gas which is having a positive deviation at higher pressures, and at very low pressures the real gas, that is real gas, shows a negative deviation from the ideal behavior. So this is about the deviation from the ideal behavior for a real gas. The next thing we have to discuss is about the compressibility factor, which gives you the information about the extent of deviation of real gas from the ideal behavior. So adra bagge discuss ಮಾಡೋಣ. So note down these things. So just now we have seen that the real gas deviates from ideal behavior, that is you have a positive deviation wherein volume of real gas is greater than volume of ideal gas at high pressures, and negative deviation, the volume of real gas is less when compared to the ideal gas at lower pressures. And at certain pressure and temperature, the real gas behaves as an ideal gas, and that is at low pressure and high temperature. So, ಈಗ ತಾನೇ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ, we have to discuss now about the compressibility factor. This compressibility factor is denoted by Z. It is denoted by Z. ಆಗಲೇ ಹೇಳಿದಂಗೆ it denotes the extent of deviation from ideal behavior. That is extent of positive deviation as well as extent of negative deviation. So this is your compressibility factor denoted by Z. It denotes the extent of deviation of real gas from its ideal behavior. Either it may be a positive deviation from the ideal behavior, increase in volume, or a negative deviation from the ideal behavior, that is decrease in volume, adana ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟನ್ನು ಅದರದ್ದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟನ್ನು ಡಿನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದೇ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಯೋರ್ ಕಂಪ್ರೆಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್. ದಿ ಕಂಪ್ರೆಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ Z has a relationship that is Z is equal to PV by nRT. This is a relationship for Z. Z is equal to PV by nRT, or there is also a relation Z is equal to V real by V ideal. So this is the relationship for compressibility factor. This is the relation Z is equal to PV by nRT or Z is equal to V real by V ideal. The values of Z, so as it mentions about the extent of positive or negative deviation, it has a value. So the value of Z, that is your compressibility factor, is Z is equal to 1 for ideal gas and Z is not equal to 1 for real gas. So there are two possibility, that is two values possible for Z. One is Z is equal to 1 for ideal gas. The other value is Z is not equal to 1 for real gas. So what do you mean by Z not equal to 1? It is obviously either Z greater than 1 or Z less than 1. So based upon this, we can identify what is the type of deviation the gas is undergoing based upon this Z value, as well as we can also know that whether the volume of real gas is increasing or decreasing, that is you have a positive deviation or a negative deviation, as well as we can identify which force of attraction or repulsion is been dominating in the gas. Adanna navu discuss ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. So first of all, if I take for your ideal gas, that is Z is equal to 1 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ, Z is equal to 1 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ. So that's the first instance and it is for your ideal gas. So if Z is equal to 1, so this value is 1 anta ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ, this equation becomes PV is equal to nRT. PV is equal to nRT. Am I right? So Z is equal to 1 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ, Z this becomes equal, so PV becomes equal to nRT. This equation holds good for a ideal gas. In this equation, if I apply this, if Z is equal to 1, the equation becomes V real is equal to V ideal. That is, the volume of real gas is equal to the volume of ideal gas, which means that the real gas is showing a ideal behavior. So this is about Z factor, that is compressibility factor is equal to 1, wherein the real gas behaves as an ideal gas. So that's the thing. The next thing is Z is not equal to 1. There are two possibilities, Z greater than 1 and Z less than 1. So if Z greater than 1 as well as Z less than 1. So this is for your real gas. This is for your real gas. So let us see if Z greater than 1 adre yenagutte. Z is greater than 1. PV becomes greater than nRT. PV is greater than nRT. If this equation, it becomes V real is greater than V ideal. What do you mean by V real greater than V ideal? Volume of the real gas is greater than the volume of the ideal gas. Which means that volume ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ type of deviation ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ? It shows a positive deviation from the ideal behavior. Which means that any gas which shows a positive deviation from the ideal behavior, the compressibility factor value is greater than 1. You can observe that the V real, that is the volume of the real gas, is greater than the volume of the ideal gas. Andre enagide, volume of the real gas has been expanded, ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ideal gas ಗೆ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆ particular pressure ಅಲ್ಲಿ volume of real gases has been expanded. ಯಾವಾಗ gas expand ಆಗತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, very simple, when the force of repulsion between the gaseous molecule is bigger. Andre there are two types of forces are acting. ಒಂದು ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ರಿಪಲ್ಷನ್. ಈ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಆಫ್ ರಿಯಲ್ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ರಿಪಲ್ಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್. ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ರಿಪಲ್ಷನ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ದಿ ಗೇಷಿಯಸ್ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಹಾಗಾಗೇನೆ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಬೀನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾಂಡೆಡ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ ದ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಡಿವಿಯೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ರಿಯಲ್ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಯಾವ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ force of repulsion is dominating. ಈ real gas ಅಲ್ಲಿ the force of repulsion is higher. It is dominating. As a result, the gas has been expanded when compared to its ideal behavior. So ideal behavior compare ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ real gas ನ volume expand ಆಗಿದೆ. That is due to the force of repulsion between the gas molecules. The last one, that is Z value, if it is less than 1, ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದ್ರೆ, ಒಂದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದ್ರೆ, PV is less than nRT, that is V real is less than V ideal. Andre volume of real gas is less when compared to the volume of ideal gas at that particular pressure. So as a result ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಈಗ, the volume of real gas is less when compared to ideal gas. Volume ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥ it is a negative deviation from the ideal behavior. So this is showing a negative deviation. Volume ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನರ್ಥ, molecules has come closer, ಹತ್ರ ಬಂದಿದೆ, which means that force of attraction ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗಿದೆ. ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಕಂಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ, ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವೋ ಹಾಗೆ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಕಂಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಡ್ಯೂ ಟು ದಿ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ದಿ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಡಾಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಡಾಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ದಿ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ಸ್ has been greater in this compressibility factor if it is less than 1 for a real gas. If it is greater than 1 for a gas, real gas, the force of repulsion is greater. So like this, based upon the 3 compressibility factor, you can identify what is the extent of deviation, that is positive athwa negative deviation, as well as you can also find out the force of repulsion ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆಯಾ ಅಥವಾ force of attraction ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆಯಾ, which is the force acting more ಅಂತ identify ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. So that's about the compressibility factor, which tells you about the extent of deviation of the real gas from its ideal behavior. Now if I take a plot of P versus Z, that is the pressure versus the compressibility factor for different gases, that is for different real gases. So you know that ideal gas is an imaginary concept and all gases which exist is a real gas. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಈ ಕಂಪ್ರೆಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಗೂ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ಗೂ ಒಂದು ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಫಾರ್ ಆಲ್ ರಿಯಲ್ ಗ್ಯಾಸಸ್ ದ ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ ಲುಕ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್. ಸೊ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ದಟ್ Z ವರ್ಸಸ್ P ಪ್ಲಾಟ್, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ರೆಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ವರ್ಸಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್. You can observe this is a straight line, which means that this is an ideal gas, that is Z is equal to 1. If I take some real gases, ಕೆಲವು real gases ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ, the first example I am here taking it is about your hydrogen and helium. Hydrogen and helium gas ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ, the compressibility factor and pressure plot looks like this. This is for hydrogen and helium gas. So above this Z greater than 1. ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾವ ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ಸು ಈ ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ಗಿಂತ ಮೇಲ್ ಬರುತ್ತೋ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಂಪ್ರೆಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಆಬ್ವಿಯಸ್ಲಿ Z is greater than 1. ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಬರೋದಕ್ಕೆ Z is less than 1. So this is Z is equal to 1 for ideal gas. You can observe that the plot for hydrogen gas and helium gas is greater than 1, which means that hydrogen gas and helium gas show a positive deviation from your ideal behavior. It shows a positive deviation from your ideal behavior. Andre ee hydrogen gas tu matte helium gas du volume it is greater when compared to the ideal gas. Ideal gas ಗೆ compare ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ this shows a positive deviation from your ideal behavior. ಯಾವ್ದು ಎರಡು ಅದು gases hydrogen gas ಮತ್ತೆ helium gas. So hydrogen gas and helium gas shows a positive deviation from ideal behavior, which means that Z is greater than 1. Except these two gases, any real gas if you take into consideration, any gas except these two gases, all other plots are like this, which means that you can observe at low pressures, ಈ ಕಡೆ ಇರೋದೆಲ್ಲ low pressure, you can observe Z value is less than 1. So at low pressures, all other gases except hydrogen and helium, all other gases at low pressure Z is less than 1, which means that it shows a negative deviation. As the pressure increases, the Z value becomes greater than 1. That is, it shows a positive deviation at higher pressures. So ಈಗ ತಾನೇ ಹಿಂದಿನ ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ, that is at higher pressure ಅಲ್ಲಿ it shows a positive deviation, lower pressures ಅಲ್ಲಿ it shows a negative deviation. That is proved by this compressibility factor graph with respect to pressure. ಈಗ ತಾನೇ pressure versus volume isothermal ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ, higher pressure positive deviation, lower pressure negative deviation ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸಿದೆ. So that is proved here also, wherein all gases except hydrogen and helium shows a negative deviation at low pressures and at a higher pressure it shows your positive deviation. Z greater than 1 ಅಂದ್ರೇನು? It shows a positive deviation. ಎಲ್ಲಿ? At higher pressures. Pressure is high. Z less than 1 ಅಂದ್ರೇನು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಡಿವಿಯೇಷನ್. Z less than 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಡಿವಿಯೇಷನ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ at lower pressures. So this graph proves that except hydrogen and helium gas, all other gases, all other real gases shows a negative deviation at lower pressures and shows a positive deviation at higher pressures. So hydrogen and helium shows a positive deviation from ideal behavior. These are the only two gases which shows a positive deviation, that is the compressibility factor greater than 1 for two gases, only two gases, that is hydrogen and helium. All other gases except these two gases, all other gases show compressibility factor less than 1 at low pressure, which means it is showing a negative deviation. Compressibility factor greater than 1, which means that it is showing a positive deviation at high pressure. Very important. So it is at low pressures it shows a negative deviation, and at high pressure it shows a positive deviation, and it is also proved in P versus V isotherm. So this is about the compressibility factor plot for with respect to your pressure for different gases. The next plot we have to discuss is again about the plot of Z, that is compressibility factor versus pressure, but here it is at different temperatures. It is at different temperatures for a single gas. Onde gas tagoltini. So ಆ gas ಗೆ at different temperatures what happens to this Z and P plot ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋಣ. Obviously Z is equal to 1 for a ideal gas. Now what I am varying is only I am varying the temperature, and it is for a single gas. Say for example I have taken this plot Z versus compressibility factor versus P for a nitrogen gas anta tagolona at different temperatures. So this is a Z versus P plot, compressibility factor versus pressure plot for nitrogen gas at different temperatures, T1, T2, T3 anta tagolona. Say T1 is greater than T2 is greater than T3. These are the three different temperatures anta tagolona. T1 is greater than T2, greater than T3. So what happens to this plot? ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ ಅಂತ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ, so this will be the plot. You can observe first T3 plot ನೋಡೋಣ. T3 plot because that is the lowest temperature. So lowest temperature is T3 followed by T2 followed by T1. T3 plot ನೋಡಿ. T3 plot is this one. This is your T3. T2 ನೋಡಿ. This is your T2. So this is your T3. This is your T2. This is your T1. Say for example ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಏನೋ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀನಿ T0 ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ, which is greater, the temperature is greater than T1 ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ, the line may be like this. This is your T0. So ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ as the temperature increases, ನೀವು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ಬೋದು T3 lowest temperature ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಪ್ಲಾಟ್, T2, T1, T0. So what is happening to this nitrogen plots as the temperature increases ಅಂದ್ರೆ, the compressibility factor of ideal gas ಗೆ ಹತ್ರ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ plots, which means that the nitrogen gas as the temperature increases is trying to behave more and more like your ideal gas. So as temperature increases, temperature ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ ಹಾಗೇನೆ you can observe that the behavior of your nitrogen real gas coinciding is more been coinciding with your ideal gas. ಹತ್ರ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಈ Z ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನಿದೆಯೋ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹತ್ರ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ compressibility factor, which means that it is becoming more and more ideal. It is having more and more ideal behavior. Ideal behavior ಗೆ ಹತ್ರ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. So as the temperature increases, the real behavior is being coinciding with the ideal behavior, and this temperature at which a real gas behaves as an ideal gas is called as boil temperature anta karitare, ಅಥವಾ boil point ಅಂತಾನು ಕರೀತಾರೆ. It is also called as boil point or boil temperature. It is the temperature at which your real gas behaves as an ideal gas. ಆಗಲೇ ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು higher the temperature, higher is the ideal behavior. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ರಿಯಲ್ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಐಡಿಯಲ್ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಬಿಹೇವ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕು? ಲೋ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್, ಹೈ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್, LPHT ಅಂತ ಬರ್ದಿದೆ. ಲೋ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್, high temperature. That is the code word to remember what is the condition for a real gas to behave as an ideal gas. So ಹಾಗಾಗಿ higher the temperature ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ದ ಹಾಗೇನೆ the real gas behaves more and more like your ideal gas, and that temperature at which a real gas behaves as an ideal gas is called as your boil point ಅಥವಾ boil temperature ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. So the plot tells that as the temperature increases, look into the point, as the temperature increases, the curves shifts upwards, ಮೇಲ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, which means that the real gas behaves more and it tries to behave more and more as your ideal gas. ಅಂದರೆ compressibility factor ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ z less than 1 ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ more than 1 ಇದೆ. ಸೊ z ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, it is trying to become 1, which means that it is trying to behave as an ideal gas. So it behaves more and more as an ideal gas at temperature increases. So that's about the plot. As temperature increases, the behavior of real gas is more closer to the ideal behavior. There is a temperature at which ಈಗ increase ಆಗಿ there is a temperature at which the real gas behaves as an ideal gas. So increase ಆಗಿ ಒಂದು certain temperature ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ತರ ಬಂದ್ರೆ coincide ಆದರೆ that temperature at which real gas behaves as an ideal gas is called as your boil temperature ಅಥವಾ boil point ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. So this is about the compressibility factor, the positive deviation and negative deviation of the real gas from ideal behavior. The next concept we are going to discuss is about van der Waals equation. So this is an equation which holds good for real gases. ಅದಕ್ಕೂ ಮುಂಚೆ ideal gas ಗೆ equation ನೋಡೋಣ. Ideal gas equation is PV is equal to nRT, which holds good for your ideal gas. This is for your ideal gas. Real gases ಗೆ this doesn't hold good at all conditions ಅಂತ ಈಗ ತಾನೇ ನೋಡಿದೀವಿ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ a new equation, that is a correction for this ideal gas equation was given to put forth a new equation which holds good for your real gases, and that equation is called as your van der Waals equation. So ಈ ideal gas ಗೆ correction add ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ you get this van der Waals equation, and the equation goes like this. So this is your van der Waals equation. Van der Waals equation holds good for real gases at all conditions. P plus a n square by v square into v minus nb is equal to nRT, where P is your pressure, V is your volume, n is your number of moles of gaseous molecules, and V is your volume, R is your gas constant, T is your temperature. Here A and B are called as van der Waals constants. A and B are van der Waals constants. So other than that, all the factors you know, P, V, N, etc. R, T, ella gottu. A and B are called as your van der Waals constant. So now the question is why this correction term is needed. That is, ಏನು correction ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಒಂದು pressure ಗೆ correction ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು volume ಗೆ correction ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. That is, a pressure correction and a volume correction is done. Why is this correction done for your real gas when compared to ideal gas ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋದಾದ್ರೆ, now we have to go for kinetic theory of gases. Kinetic theory ಎರಡು postulates ಇದೆ. ಮೊದಲನೇದು, there is no intermolecular force of attraction between gaseous molecules. Volume of gas molecule in a volume, it is negligible when compared to the volume of the gas ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಇದು ಎರಡು postulates kinetic gas theory ನಾವು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ, which holds good only for your ideal gases. This doesn't hold good for your real gases. ಇಲ್ಲಿ no intermolecular force of attraction between the gas molecules ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, but ಇದೆ, there is an intermolecular force of attraction between the gaseous molecules. ಎರಡನೇದು, ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಆಫ್ gaseous molecule is negligible when compared to the gas volume, total volume ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. But this is wrong. The volume of gas molecule is not negligible. It is not negligible. It is considerable. Volume of the gas molecule is considerable. ಹಾಗಾಗೇನೆ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಟರ್ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಐಡಿಯಲ್ ಗ್ಯಾಸಿಗೆ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ರಿಯಲ್ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ದು ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೋ ದಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಲೆಸ್, ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ಗೂ ನಾವು ಕರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ನ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಪಿ ಐಡಿಯಲ್ ಇದೆಯೋ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಪಿ ರಿಯಲ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ವಿ ಐಡಿಯಲ್ ಇದೆಯೋ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಯೋರ್ ವಿ ರಿಯಲ್. ಹಾಗಾಗಿನೇ ಅ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಅ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ನ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್, ಪಿ ಐಡಿಯಲ್ ಏನು ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವೋ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಪಿ ರಿಯಲ್. ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಬೈ ದಿ ಐಡಿಯಲ್ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಇಂಟರ್ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಫ್ರೀ ಟು ಹಿಟ್ ದಿ ಕಂಟೈನರ್ಸ್ದು ವಾಲ್ಸ್ನ ಹಿಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ದೇ ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ಫ್ರೀ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಬೈ ದಿ ಐಡಿಯಲ್ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಹೈಯರ್. ಅದೇ ರಿಯಲ್ ಗ್ಯಾಸಿಗೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ಏನು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಇಂಟರ್ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್. ಇಂಟರ್ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಸೋ ಫ್ರೀ ಟು ಹಿಟ್ ದಿ ಕಂಟೈನರ್ ವಾಲ್. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ಆಫ್ ರಿಯಲ್ ಗ್ಯಾಸು ಕಡಿಮೆ. So pressure of real gas is less when compared to pressure of ideal gas. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ P ideal it is equal to P real plus correction factor add ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ AN square by V square, which means that P ideal is bigger value when compared to P real value. That is because P ideal ಅಲ್ಲಿ there is no force of attraction. Molecule hits with all pressure with your container walls. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ pressure created is high. ಅದೇ P real ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಗಲ್ಲ, there is a force of attraction which hinders the molecules from hitting the container. ಕಂಟೈನರ್ನ ಅಷ್ಟು ಸುಲಭವಾಗಿ ಹಿಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ pressure created is less. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ AN square by V square. ಇನ್ನು ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಷನ್ಗೆ ಬಂದರೆ, ಇಫ್ ಯು ಕಮ್ ಟು ಯೋರ್ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಷನ್, volume of ideal gas is less when compared to volume of real gas. It is less when compared to volume of real gas. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ಸ್ ನ ನೆಗ್ಲಿಜಿಬಲ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಿದೀವಿ, ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರಬಲ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ is not negligible, it is considerable when compared to the volume of the gas. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರಬಲ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ದಿ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಇಸ್ ರಿಯಲ್ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ವೆನ್ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಟು ದಿ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಐಡಿಯಲ್ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಅ ಕರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ನೀಡೆಡ್ ಇಸ್ ವಿ ಐಡಿಯಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ವಿ ರಿಯಲ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ವಿ ರಿಯಲ್ ಟು ಮೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿ ಐಡಿಯಲ್. ಅಂದರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ವಿ ಐಡಿಯಲ್ ಇಸ್ ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ವಿ ರಿಯಲ್. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ದಿಸ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎನ್ ಬಿ. So, due to these two postulates which does not hold good for your real gas, with respect to one with respect to pressure, the other with respect to volume, there is a correction needed, correction term needed for a pressure and a volume in your ideal gas equation, which results in this equation which is called as van der Waals equation, which holds good for your real gas. So, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ pressure correction term ಮತ್ತೆ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ನೀಡೆಡ್ ಡ್ಯೂ ಟು ದಿ ಫೇಲಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ದೀಸ್ ಟು ಪಾಸ್ಟುಲೇಟ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಯುವರ್ ರಿಯಲ್ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಈ ಎರಡು ಕರೆಕ್ಷನ್ನ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ವಿ ಗೆಟ್ ಅ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ವ್ಯಾನ್ ಡರ್ ವಾಲ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯುವರ್ ರಿಯಲ್ ಗ್ಯಾಸಸ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಯುವರ್ ರಿಯಲ್ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್, ಐಡಿಯಲ್ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್, ದಿ deviation from ideal behavior, a positive behavior, that is positive deviation, negative deviation, compressibility factor Z is equal to 1, greater than 1, less than 1, the force of attraction or force of repulsions between the gaseous molecules, as well as van der Waals equation for a real gas. So this is about your session number 6, which completely deals with your ideal gas and real gas.